Hi, welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to share with you one of my hair product, which is pump. This is from Haircare, and this actually volume mist, and I'm going to share with you how I use my volume mist for more volume of my hair. So first I took shower, wash my hair, and after I dry with my towel all of my hair, then I put this volume mist and I take some rub with my pump, and then I use all of my hair. I make sure I put all of my hair, and then I dry my hair with dryer, and I make like whatever style I like to make. This pump volume mist actually for thin hair, but like sometimes we lose our hair and we still want like a lot of volume for our hair, then we can use this. Even though I have like perfect hair, but still I use this pump because I want more volume of my hair, and I want to make sure like I put right product on my hair and it's good for my hair growths. And this pump volume mist make my hair smooth, soft, and whoever think like you have less hair, thin hair, then definitely you can try this one for your hair, and you will see a lot of benefit. Like it will give you like a lot of volume and keep all day your hair like moisturized, which we really love for our hair. If this video is helpful to you, then please like the video and share. Thank you for watching.